Trade schools are having a moment, and Wall Street is starting to pay attention.
Shares of Universal Technical Institute are up 53%.
It's rare, but some schools like Universal Technical Institute and Lincoln Tech also happen to be publicly traded companies. In fact, they've quietly become among two high-performing small-cap stocks with a market value under $2 billion on Wall Street. I'm talking about rallies of 335% and 220% over the last 2 years. Compare that to the Russell 2000 index, which has increased only 12% over the same amount of time. So what's driving these rallies? Experts say there is a demand boom in skilled trade jobs. A 2024 Deloitte report found that nearly 2 million manufacturing jobs could remain unfilled by 2033 if the skilled trade training gap is not addressed. Electricians, HVAC, construction, welding, you name it, we need it. But why? Skilled trade baby boomers are retiring, and we don't have enough young people to backfill their jobs. There also happens to be a federal push to bring manufacturing back to the U.S. The U.S. needs more trade workers to modernize infrastructure, build new data centers for AI, and feed the supply chain. That's turning what used to be an alternative career path into an attractive opportunity for many young people. Even though, generally speaking, higher paying jobs still do require at least a 4-year degree. Once you consider the fact that trade school can be completed in as little as 6 months, you can understand why this is an attractive choice for people whose primary goal is finding a secure job. It gets students out of school with a desirable skill, which can lead to comparable or even higher returns on investment when compared to traditional 4-year university degrees. But these stocks are really sensitive to something called student starts. It's a way to gauge student interest as well as how much money is being brought in through their tuition. Lincoln Tech posted 21% student start growth last quarter, its 6th consecutive quarter of double-digit gains. And after a series of strong quarters, Universal Technical Institute's student start figure recently came in below expectations, causing the stock to fall 20%. So what's the bottom line? Wall Street is reacting positively to what trade schools say they have: multiple job offers for every graduate.